Welcome to Session 31 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today, we study exponential transformations. The focus is to interpret shifts, reflections, and stretches of exponential functions. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Read horizontal and vertical shifts from notation. 2. Track the horizontal asymptote after a vertical shift. 3. Transform a key point from the parent function. Exponential transformations follow the same logic as other function transformations, but the horizontal asymptote is especially important. For g of x equals a times b to the x minus h plus k, the input shift is controlled by h, the vertical shift is k, and the horizontal asymptote becomes y equals k. Consider f of x equals 3 times 2 to the x minus 4 plus 5. The parent 2 to the x is shifted right 4, vertically stretched by 3, and shifted up 5. The horizontal asymptote is y equals 5. The parent point 0, 1 moves to 4, 8. For g of x equals negative 2 times 1/3 to the x minus 1, the negative sign reflects the graph over the x-axis. The factor 2 stretches it vertically. The minus 1 shifts the horizontal asymptote to y equals negative 1. Because the base is between 0 and 1, the unreflected parent is decay. Your turn. What is the horizontal asymptote of 2 times 5 to the x? 7. Pause the video and solve it. Here's the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Exponential transformations use the same shift logic as other functions. The vertical shift sets the horizontal asymptote. A negative coefficient reflects over the x-axis. Transforming a parent point helps anchor the graph. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video, and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.